My name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk about vendor ACH security and monitoring. As we all know and hear in the news frequently, check fraud is rampant. Over and over again we hear stories where checks have been taken out of the mail or even intercepted, unfortunately, and then altered. Either the payee has been altered or the amount has been altered, and then someone's trying to cash them, or they actually go through. So of course the banks encourage, and I think one day will require, positive pay. If you cut checks, you have to tell them who it was made out to, the date, the amount, and when checks are presented to the bank, then they check that against the information what you uploaded, and if there is anything that mismatches, you have a business day to go in there and approve it anyway or to decline it, otherwise they're going to return it. All right, so the next level then is don't print the checks. Use ACH to make the vendor payments. And again, you have the option of logging onto the bank site and setting that up, or uploading a file to the bank site, which can be generated from your software. And again, it's going to say who should get the money, what account it goes to, and the dollar amount. Then there's a scam where the bad actors are pretending to be your vendors and tell you that they've got new banking information, new email address to send the confirmations to, things like that. These are scams, and the reason they're out there and some of the biggest things happening is they're profitable. Bad actors are actually tricking people, and this is what's happening, and sometimes it's quite large dollar amounts. So be sure that your office has hard and fast rules about any request to change bank information or even email confirmation information regarding your vendors in ACH. Pick up the phone, call the person you know over there, call the phone number that you always call, not something you were given, and confirm changes person to person. Okay, so now the next level of security. So we know a client who also wanted to make sure that changes weren't being made in the vendor screen. They use Sage 100 Contractor, but the concept is the same. They want to make sure no one changed the email address or the bank routing information because they use the software to generate the file and upload it to the bank. So we got on with them and looked at a variety of things that were available to us, taking advantage of our SQL script runner, which is our tool, also taking advantage of the security tracking and field changes that already it belongs in the software. And then we agreed on the overall guidelines of the report and the parameters to pull the report. Now they run that before generating the ACH file every single time, and they can see if any changes were made and then take appropriate action or check with people, and they can see who made the change. So this is another example of some exciting and pretty amazing custom reporting that our business applications and programmer teams can put together. So if you have something like this that you are looking for, give us a call and we'll see if we can put together a unique solution for you. For now, stay safe and have a great rest of your week.